This whale, so far it was not sighted from Indian water. Our neighbor countries like Sri Lanka, then even South Africa, Seychelles and all, it was reported. That and all by standard one. Standard one in the sense they were beached, dead and beached. These whales were observed or reported from our neighbor countries. This is first time in the real, directly sighted from the sea. This is first time in India. Actually, this is under the project funded by our Ministry of Fisheries. Our Director General, Dr. Jayabhaskaran, Director General of Fisheries Survey of India, he is the principal investigator of this project. This project funded by PMMSY, Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana. Actually, the project, why the ministry given to us is, it's very important project because you know that the fishery product, the fishery product exported to the countries. From that, our revenue is approximately 40 and above, 1,000 crores. So 45,000 crores, now 2021 it is 43,000 crores. That is the revenue our Indian government, our India realized from exporting the fishes. Now that NOAA, National Ocean and Atmospheric Administration, USA, they put some restriction. So which are all the countries supplying fish to the US and EU countries, they have to follow some norms. That is the marine mammals, that marine mammals to be protected. Because why they are giving importance to the marine mammal is the ecosystem. Marine is the ecosystem. Fishery, everything is depend on the ecosystem. That ecosystem to be keep balanced. So these marine mammals, they have a very important role in keeping the marine ecosystem balanced ecosystem. Like mammals, normal mammals like us, elephants, hippopotamus, these are all the mammals, how they are breathing by lungs, like that. But this, this particular, this whale, once it take the air to their lung, then it will die. It will die in the sense, means for several they will die for feeding also. Actually, it is reported that they were diving up to 1,400 meters for getting their prey. Their foraging, they mainly eat squids. Squid, squid and small fish, mainly squid they prefer. That will be available 800,000 meter depth of the ocean. So they will dive down and have the feed. They have the capacity, their metabolic system, they can tolerate more carbon dioxide in the blood. That's why once they take the oxygen from the surface, they will go down, it will take more time to come up, nearly 1 hour or something. So that case, once our scientists sighted that, then they have to wait for a long time. So meantime, that due to current and all, they will move, otherwise our vessel will move to some direction, so they are missing. So luckily our scientists, they shoot this photo after sighting. This is the photograph, this sighted. This is that Blainville is Beaked whale, that is Mesoplodon densirostris, that species. It was confirmed by Dr. Jayabhaskaran, Director General Fisheries Survey of India.
So it is very lucky that you have sighted it while it was on the surface. Yeah, otherwise you would have had to wait for hours together.
Yes. Sometimes we may miss because so many scientists involved in the survey. No one got our Fisheries Survey of India vessel because we are surveying throughout the Indian EZ. Even up to the EZ, EZ normally 200 miles, but luckily in West Coast, as the Lakshadweep Islands are there, we got further more 200 miles. So nearly 370 miles we have the transect to survey. Marine ocean sense like big sharks and big other fishes that will be put into that ocean area. So people can go inside that and see their real nature, how it will move really.
Live fish.
It's original
live fish.
Yeah, original fish. Yeah, live fish.
For that we require land also.
That we required land, land if that we have to acquire from your Goa government.
But if Goa government is willing, the fisheries are willing to do it.
They must be willing. Because it's a tourism attraction. It will attract more tourists to Goa.